Hey everyone, welcome to a Quick Fix. Today I'm showing you how to adjust the ringer volume on your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is not on silent mode or do not disturb. Make sure it says ring. Now, to adjust the ringer volume, simply use the volume up and volume down buttons on the side. That's the easiest way. However, if the volume buttons aren't changing your ringer volume, here's what you need to do. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under Ringtone and Alerts, you'll see a slider. This controls your iPhone ringer volume. If the option Change with Buttons is turned off, your volume buttons won't affect the ringer. You'll need to manually slide this to increase or decrease the ringer volume. To enable the volume buttons for your ringer, simply toggle on Change with Buttons. This setting might be off by default on some iPhones. So, whether you prefer using the physical buttons or the manual slider in Settings, both options are available to adjust your iPhone ringer volume anytime. That's how you fix and adjust ringer volume on iPhone. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe to ClickFix for more quick tutorials.